Providing the necessary thing. If that happens, you will be promoted from the police finance to a regular institution, where then the financial burden on the children will not be there. So their dress allowance, the amount which is there for the dress is provided by the central government. And thereafter, for the camp expenditure, presently being a police finance, you will be bearing the cost. But I think in the coming years, maybe in a couple of years, that you will be promoted to the regular institution, and the financial burden will not be there.
Very good opportunity for all of you. And we were hopeful, but we were not very sure whether NCC will come, because it's a national academy. You have to get permission from the central government and everything. They have been waiting for a couple of years, but still they have not got. But your institute, everything fell in place, and you got the NCC. So, how many of you have done A certificate before? Anybody? From where? Are you aware? If you are having A certificate, then you get bonus marks in B certificate. That is so. And anybody who wants to join army as a officer or something? Anybody tried for NDA? You have tried for NDA? You want to your yeah, it is NDA is after 12th class. Okay, so you guys have tried? Okay, well, anybody who cleared the written examination? So written examination is the most important thing. There only you can go for the other part, you know. So doesn't matter. I hope you are aware that if you are a C certificate holder with good grade, you don't have to sit for the written examination. Are you aware? Huh?
Yes, sir.
So if you have a NCC C certificate, you have A, B and C grades. If you are A or a B grade, then you don't have to sit for the written examination. You can directly go for the selection board. There is something called NCC Special Entry Scheme. Understand? Like I had to sit for the written examination, then I had to go for the SSB and everything which is there. But in NCC, if you are a C certificate holder with A or B grade, you can directly go to Services Selection Board. Okay, that is a big thing. And there is a separate quota for NCC Special Entry Scheme. There are 60 seats only for NCC. So, if anybody is interested and anybody is fit to join NCC as officers, you must, identify your aims, and then you should start working hard for that. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. NCC institution, you will have to pay for your uniform and your camps. That is not very much. It will not be more than your, say, 2 pizza parties. Okay? That is the amount which you will have to pay for your camp. How much do you think is the amount to be paid for a camp? Any idea? For 10 days. For 10 days, how much amount do you have to pay?
3,000.
Huh? How much? 3,000? Yeah, 2,400 rupees. That is what you are paying for your own food, your transportation, everything. Understand? So this is all, and you have to buy your uniform. Rest is all. We don't charge anything. And the moment you tomorrow, if the state government willingly, if it gives us the staff and everything, in maybe by the time you pass out, you will be a fully from the fully self-finance, you will become a regular. In that, 75% of the dress allowance comes, 100% of the dress allowance is directly transferred to your bank account. That is 4,400 rupees is transferred to your bank account for buying your uniform, shoes and everything which is required for surviving in NCC. And when you go for a camp, if you have to pay say 2,400, you only pay 400. Why? Because central government pays 75% of your camp fees also. So understand? So it is not that it is meant for rich people or anything, it is meant for everybody. Understand? So from our side, it is the moment you become a regular institution, which is likely to happen maybe this year, next year, whichever. So then things are going to be very easy, and it is not going to be financially, hard on you. Understand? And any sports person here? Okay. Any person who is into cultural things? Any classical dancer? Classical singer? Any person who plays an instrument?
Sir,
Musical instrument? What?
guitar.
Guitar? Yeah. Anybody? Any boy who is planning to learn an instrument? Yeah.
Learn instrument. Like
Yeah.
guitar.
Because what do we see in NCC? Cadets marching on the Rajpath, isn't it? They are marching on the Rajpath. That is what we see. But any cadet who is a dancer or who is very good, I am not saying dancer, I can also dance, you can also dance, but not that way. Any person who is a cultural, he is trained dancer like a classical dancer or semi-classical dancer who can play very good instrument like flute or guitar or tabla or mridangam or anything, they can go to Republic Day Parade. Once you go to Republic Day Parade, then nobody sees whether you marched on the Rajpath or you played an instrument or you danced there. Cultural event is also there. Understand? So all these things are there. It is not meant for 6 feet tall people who are walking on the Rajpath. It is meant for everybody. Understand? Last year 9 cadets went to RDC from 3 Telangana Battalion. In that 5 were for the marching contingent and 4 were from the cultural side. They were dancers, singers. One boy was a flute player. They went to RDC. If you see that flute player, he was like you. Understand? And he was very good in the flute, and he went up to the Republic Day Parade, he went to Delhi. So it is meant for everybody. Understand? It is a little physically demanding also, that you will have to sweat a bit. Okay, you will have, other children will come at say 8:30, you may have to come at 7 o'clock to do the drill and all, but that is part and parcel. I hope you are all ready for it.
Yes.
Very soon we will have the selections, so the selection will have some running around and all that. So prepare in case somebody seriously wants to get into NCC. You will have to be physically fit also. Understand? So physically unfit people, we are biased. We are not biased about a lot of things, but we are biased about one thing, that is physical fitness. But that doesn't apply in case you are culturally, if you are a flute player or a musician or a dancer, we will ignore that. Understand? Because I can make you run, but can I teach you how to do Bharatanatyam? So if a Bharatanatyam or a Kuchipudi dancer is there, she gets you play that snake and ladder. From 3, there is a ladder which goes straight to 97. That ladder is the cultural ladder. Understand? So any person who is still shying away that, okay, I can sing very well, but I don't want to raise my hand, that is the ladder of cultural. You please don't shy away when you are going to come for the selection. Understand? And you please motivate all those people who are not here right now, but they think that NCC is all about running around and doing drill and and they are culturally blessed. Please motivate them to join NCC also. Understand? Chalo, thank you. This is good for the girls, but boys. Thinking that NCC is all about ragda and but any child who is culturally blessed, I am telling you, they have a serious bright future in it. They also can
there just for the training part, but support without the support of the management, it doesn't
Yes,
work.
correct.
And tandemly, it is. If we are and we share the same enthusiasm, then things are going to be very well. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. This really achievement. 70 colleges waiting ఉన్నాయి సార్. కదా?
70 crores are waiting. Hello, CBIT, MJIT.
We must thank even Akash. Right, Akash?
Thank you.